Hello everyone, welcome back to our e-commerce web project video series. In our last video, we tackled the forgot password add-on for the sign-in process. If you miss it, don't worry, you can catch up by clicking on the card displayed in the upper right corner. Today, we are shifting gears to design a dynamic responsive homepage using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. I'm Tejan Alexander from the Java Institute for Advanced Technology in Sri Lanka. When creating the homepage, we need to divide it into the three main parts: the header, content area, and footer. Typically, the header and footer are used on every page of a website. Instead of designing them separately for each page, we'll design them once and then include the files wherever needed. Okay, let's start with the header. Using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, I crafted a top row that includes a welcome note to the user, a sign out button, help and contact buttons, and selling report. Additionally, I added a drop-down menu on the right corner with options like My Profile, My Selling, My Products, Watch List, Purchase History, Messages, and Contact Admins tabs. Below this row, I included a logo, search bar with a search button and advanced search button, all styled using the Bootstrap framework. Now let's take a look at the footer design. I divided the footer into 4 columns. In the first column, I provided short introduction. In the second column, I added the copyright information. The third column features social media icons, while the fourth one includes contact details and the address. Again, I utilized the Bootstrap framework for these designs. To keep things organized, I used separate files for these header and footer, and name header.php and footer.php respectively, making it easy to include them in any page. Moving on to the homepage design itself, if you recall, we created a home.php file in the previous video, and now we are going to work on that file. I incorporated a carousel and displayed the latest product on this page. As with the other designs, Bootstrap played a significant role in styling the homepage. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the carousel implementation using Bootstrap and JavaScript. Additionally, I demonstrate how to include the header and footer in the homepage for cohesive design. Okay, now let's check out our design. As I described earlier, you can see the header area with the welcome note, sign out button, help and contact buttons, and the drop down menu. Moving on to the content area, you'll find a carousel and below that, the latest product section. Finally, in the footer, there are 4 columns containing introduction, copyright information, social media links, and contact details with the address. It's always helpful to sketch out wireframe before diving into the design process. Whether you use design software like Photoshop or UX UI tools like Figma or Adobe XD, or simply draw sketches on paper, having a visual guide can streamline the design process. In the next video, we'll develop the carousel using Bootstrap and JavaScript, providing you with a more in-depth understanding of this process. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button to get notified of our latest videos. See you in the next one.